Welcome back to What's New. We're starting a new segment today called Something New. And today we are focusing on the just released inflation numbers.
Yeah, inflation is still running at a 40-year high. And the Consumer Price Index report for August was released today, showing a 0.1% increase last month. Economists expected inflation to drop 0.1%, but prices shot up in food, shelter, and medical care more than gas prices declined. So they offset. Both food and medical care services gained 0.8% each last month, and food costs are up just over 6% from this time last year. I think everybody knows they're paying more.
Yeah, and this news was not well received by Wall Street. More on that in a second. But Fed Chair Jerome Powell, he's basically the guy that has the purse strings to the nation's economy. He has stated publicly that it is his goal to reduce inflation all the way down to 2%, which is a very healthy number. That's where you want it to be. But that's 4 times. We're 4 times higher now than where he wants it to be. And we know that his tool of choice to get there is to raise interest rates. He's already done that multiple times. In fact, one hike was 3/4 of a point. The expectations now is that that's going to continue. Wall Street responded today. NASDAQ down 5%. S&P 500 4%. Dow over 1,000-point loss, down 4%. Don't look at your 401ks, folks. It's temporary. It'll all come back is the hope, but right now it's not good. Now, with inflation impacting so many of our consumer decisions, people are really out there looking for bargains. Now more than ever, in fact. Ahead of the holiday shopping season, especially because, as you know, we are there. And I know it seems like we're not, but we're 3 months away, and that's when folks start to look for deals. Already underway, we're starting to see some of the big retailers drop their prices. Higher prices are really hitting the toy aisle. I don't know why particularly hard there, but they are.
Because they know people are going to pay for the toys the kids want. That's
I should have known that. Just like the energy companies, right? Like we got to pay for it.
Yep.
So here's the deal on that. Big retailers are paying attention, especially Target, who yesterday released its Bullseye's Top Toys list. This features over 50 items starting at $14.99.
Whether you're shopping in September, October, November, December, you have a guide to help you pick off the items that your little ones are sure to love this holiday season.
My mind was just blown by something. Nearly 40% of shoppers are planning to start buying gifts even earlier this year than usual. And if you're like Betsy Kling, you're already done.
With some of it.
With your holiday shopping, for the most part. And more than half of us say that we're really looking to use more coupons, discounts, and, of course, sales.